As a police officer, you are exposed to numerous carcinogens throughout your day. As a result, the California legislature has established a cancer presumption for you. What is the cancer presumption? In order to trigger the cancer presumption as a police officer, you must show 1, that you were exposed to a known carcinogen, and 2, that the cancer developed or manifested during the presumptive period. Let's break that down. 1. This is important for officers to show that you were exposed to a known carcinogen. Unlike firefighters, employers will fight you on your exposures to known carcinogens. As such, when you are responding to calls for structure fires, potentially vehicle fires, motor vehicle accidents where diesel is spilled, any number of these accidents or events, please keep a log and track them so we can use that to show that you were exposed to a known carcinogen. Number 2, the cancer developed or manifested during the presumptive period. Develop or manifest is essentially simply the cancer was growing or the cancer presented in a diagnosis. Either one during the presumptive period is sufficient to file a workers' compensation claim and trigger the presumption. What is the presumptive period? The presumptive period is defined as any time during employment extending to up to 10 years post-retirement. The extension is calculated based off of years you have worked. For each year you work, you get an additional 3 months added on to your retirement date, up to a max of 10 years. As long as the cancer developed or manifested during that presumptive period, and we establish the exposure to known carcinogens, it is presumed to have been caused by work. If you are just outside that presumptive window, you've retired, maybe you only got 5 years and it's 6 or 7 years down the road, it is still worthwhile filing that claim because that development can be vitally important. The way an employer can rebut the presumption is by either showing 1, there is no reasonable link to the known carcinogens and the cancer you have, or 2, via latency. Number 1 is generally speaking not a successful strategy because it is very difficult to find literature that does not link the exposures to cancer. Number 2, however, tends to be more successful. If you are a short-term officer, aka less than 5 years, the employer will almost assuredly deny your claim and try to fight it based off the fact that the cancer takes more than 5 years to develop. There's a lot of information presented in this, and the cancer claims are highly complicated. It is vitally important that you talk to a professional prior to filing a claim because timing of filing can be everything. Sometimes we're better off holding off filing it before we jump into the workers' compensation waters.